Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I have such an easy oven shrimp boil for you guys. And also, this video is really special. I am making Bloveslife famous seafood sauce. So if you're interested, keep on watching. And also, I will leave her channel down below if you guys are interested about her channel, and also the recipe of her sauce down below. She is the one who created this sauce and I fell in love with it. Do not forget to subscribe if you're new, and also thumbs up the video and leave your comment down below if you have any questions. So without further ado, let's begin. These are the ingredients, which will also be down below in the description box. Check it out and we're going to get cooking, guys. Alright, to get started, I am going to cut my corns. I try to get the sweetest corn. I usually buy mine at Publix because they have the freshest vegetables. So I am going to cut them into small little pieces. I love a sweet corn and seafood boil. It just tastes so good. So you just make sure you cut them into small pieces, or however big or however small you want them, okay? It's raining right now. I am so sorry if you can hear the rain, but it's been raining in Florida like crazy, you guys. If you're in Florida, let me know down below. I would love to know. Now I am going to cut my potatoes. Make sure you cut them smaller than it looks here on the video, because I did went back and cut them a little bit smaller. And you might find some potatoes, they might be a little rotten or have some dark spot in them. Just cut them off and just remove it. Like this one right here. Alright, now moving on, I am using some New Orleans spicy sausage. Yes, I am going to cut them in small pieces. Now, before you put this in the oven, I did put them in the microwave for about 5 minutes or longer, depending on how big your potato might be. And then we're going to start cooking. I am using a spray to spray the container. You can also use a foil, regular foil. Do not tell me you don't have a Dutch oven to make this. Use a regular foil, double it up, and just add your potatoes in there. I am going to add my potatoes. As you guys can see, the potatoes are hot, and I added the sausage, and also I'm adding a little bit of seasoning because I want all of those potatoes to have some nice flavor to them. So I am going to add some Cajun seasoning and some all-based seasoning. I am going to add that in there and add the rest of my corn. Like I said, be sure to cut your potatoes into small pieces when you microwave them. So now I am going to add my shrimp. I am using about two cups of shrimp. They're really tiny. I wish I just loved the jumbo one. I couldn't find the jumbo one. I have to go with these. They're small, but they're still tasty. I am going to add that in there and then add my seasoning. Like I said, all the seasoning will be down below. This right here, I believe, is the Old Bay. And next, I am going to add some dry dressing in there, salad dressing in there, which is the ranch dressing. Just pour that all over your seasoning. I promise you this will make it taste so good. So I am going to pour that all over. Yes. And then I am going to add the rest of the seasoning, the thyme and parsley. Just add that on top, and some garlic, powdered garlic, and I added some roasted herbs. Now I am adding some butter. I added butter, and also I added some peanut oil. You can add butter all the way. You don't have to add oil, but I did add oil and some butter at the same time. It doesn't really make a difference. And also I added about a few tablespoons of water, maybe half a cup of water. Okay, And now we're going to give that a quick mix. Make sure all your potatoes, all your shrimps and corns and sausage is well mixed. Like I said, you do not have to have a Dutch oven to make this. You can use a regular foil. Just double it up, add it in there, and then use another foil to cover it up. Put it in your pan and just bake it. Trust me, you will still get the same result. Now I am going to add some lime juice on top. Now all you have to do is just cover it and bake it on 425 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now moving on to my Bloveslife sauce. Now keep in mind some of the ingredients that she used. I didn't have them, but I have mostly 98% of the ingredients she used on her sauce, which I will also leave her ingredients in my description box, and also her channel name link, so you guys can go check her out because she makes lots of mukbang videos. So basically I melted my butter and I am going to add all these dry seasoning in this melted butter goodness. Okay, we're going to keep adding our dry seasoning in there. Don't add too much now, just add as much as you think you can take. As you guys can see, I am using a lot of spicy seasoning, cayenne pepper, red bell pepper, paprika, hot sauce. All of those are hot ingredients, so be sure to add a little bit at a time, and you can taste it later and see if you like how spicy it is or if you want to add more. So don't add too much at first. Okay, I'm just going to add everything in there, and if you have any question regarding my ingredient that I add in there, I will also leave that down below, as well as her ingredients. I am going back to add about 2-3 tablespoons of lime juice, and also I did add the sugar. I don't know if you guys notice it. We're going to give it a quick mix, and I did went back and add some more stuff. Like I said, you might think it's too spicy or you need it more spicy. You can always go back and add more dry seasoning. That's why you don't have to add all the seasoning all at once, so you don't ruin it. Okay, some people don't like too spicy food, or some people like it mild, medium, hot, you know. Yeah, just give it a quick mix. Just adding a little bit more because I want it to be spicy, and just keep on tasting it. Now moving on, our shrimp boil is nice and ready and hot. It's so good, you guys. Let me tell you guys, I am a seafood lover. Like, I love seafood, and basically this is it, you guys. Look at that. It's so good. If you're a big fan of seafood, let me know down below which one is your favorite seafood at all time. Me, I like me a good old lobster. So let me know down below, what do you guys like, which is your favorite seafood of all time, basically. So this is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to check the description box for all the ingredients, and also it wouldn't be a Bloveslife inspired meal if I didn't use my hands and taste the corn and dip it in the sauce and taste it for you guys. It was so good. It was really, really, really good, you guys. So be sure you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? You've been watching you watched the whole video and not subscribed. I am watching you. So subscribe right now, like the video, spam the comment section, and yeah, I guess that's it, guys. You will see me very soon on the next video. Bye, guys. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.